Hey, Gateway family, I have a question for you. Have you ever had a cut or a twisted ankle? Then you know firsthand experience what inflammation feels like. I'm going to be doing a workshop tomorrow night at 6 p.m. It's July 26th, and it's going to be on inflammation. And we're going to be talking about also chronic low-grade inflammation and its negative effects on our health. Chronic low-grade inflammation is found to cause pain, but even linked to chronic disease. The number of people that are dealing with heart disease, obesity, diabetes, cancer, it continues to soar as a result of stress and dysfunction caused by chronic inflammation. And so, but more importantly, we're going to be going over how to recognize that inflammation, and everyone deals with it, about 60% of Americans do, but we're going to also talk about how to recognize it and how to decrease it so that we can start living healthier lives. So come out tomorrow to the workshop. Look forward to seeing all of you there. Take care. Bye-bye.